How to deposit check with US Bank? Let's get started. Firstly, launch your US Bank mobile banking app and then provide your credentials and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your homepage. Look at the bottom of the screen where you will find several options. Tap on the second icon from the left labeled Deposit a Check. This will take you to the deposit page. Now you're on the deposit screen, you will see a toggle bar at the top. Make sure it's turned on. Next, select the account where you want the check to go, like your checking account. Then enter the amount written on the check. Remember, there is a maximum limit of $7,500 for each federal check, so keep that in mind. Next, you'll need to take photos of your check. The app will ask for the permission to access your camera. Tap OK, then tap on the front side, open and take a clear photo of the front side of check. Do the same for the back by selecting back side. Make sure all the details are visible and clear. After taking the photos, review everything to ensure the details are correct. Now tap on deposit. And that's it. You have successfully deposited your check through the US Bank mobile app. So this way you can easily deposit check with the US Bank app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.